welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you are new here, definitely make sure you subscribe before you leave. If you are not, welcome back for another video. So happy that you decided to come back. So today I'm here with another Simple Styles video for you guys. I have not done one in a really long time, but you guys really actually do like these simple styles. So for today, I have this really fun, really flirty, cute ponytail. To me, this is like the perfect go-to ponytail. I feel like you can wear it honestly for anything when your hair probably looks crazy and you probably need to wash it but don't have time and you literally just want to look really nice and put together. I feel like this is a go-to. It is literally super simple. It does not take a long time at all and it's just so cute and I absolutely love it. And the summertime is coming up. I feel like this is a perfect summer look. You know, you want your hair off your neck, off your back, off everything. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much, but if you guys want to see how I got this super cute, flirty, fun ponytail, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey guys, so jumping right into the tutorial, I am starting out with previously straightened hair. It's been about a week now since my hair is straightened, so it's starting to get way down. It's starting to get a little yucky. So I'm just going to go ahead and comb my hair up where I want my ponytail to be. Now, this is completely up to you. Some people like low ponytails, some like mid-range, some like super high. You can literally place your ponytail anywhere. So I am going to do tendrils because I feel like that adds to the flirtiness, the girliness of this ponytail. So you just want to take out the very little edges and corners of your hair. After that, you're just going to smooth your hair down and you're going to start to basically place your ponytail where you want to be. Again, you can place your ponytail anywhere. I feel like you're still going to get the very cute, girly, flirty look. It's the curls that do it, okay? So wherever you like your ponytail, sis, put your ponytail there, okay? So now I'm just going to go ahead and secure my ponytail. Now, I personally don't do super tight ponytails. That is for hair health reasons as well. You can cause breakage if you do your ponytails too tight, and I've gotten headaches from ponytails. They're not fun whatsoever. So I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued Free Spray hairspray, and I want my hair to stay straight. I don't want my hair to revert back, so I'm using hairspray to basically get all the flyaways in check, and also it'll keep your hair, you know, cute and put together. I am going to be using my Irresistible Me. I think this is the Sapphire Wand Curl. It comes with like 8 wand curls, and I'm using the smaller one with the tapered end. And I am just going to take about small to medium sections and I am going to wand curl the ponytail hair. So I wrap it around the wand and I literally leave it on for about 10 seconds. And as you can see, I don't do the very ends until probably the last few seconds because the ends of your hair is the oldest. They don't require too much to curl and you don't want to cause excessive damage, okay? This is supposed to be a simple style and it's not supposed to wreak havoc on your hair. So I'm just going to finish basically wand curling the rest of my ponytail. After I finished wand curling all of the ponytail hair, I did go ahead and spray some of the Got To Be Glued hairspray on it as well. This is going to help keep your curls intact. And for the tendrils, when you wrap that around, you want to wrap in a downward motion and just slide your hair off. And for these, because it's literally the smallest amount of hair that's left out, I literally, as soon as I wrap it around the hair, I literally just slide it right off because it does not require that much heat to curl that thin section. So after that, then I am going to go in and actually separate my curls. And this again is up to your discretion. You can separate as much or as little as you like. I naturally have fine hair and I like big hair, so I do separate quite a lot, but not too much to where my curls are going to be in disarray or anything like that. Enough to give me enough volume for my ponytail. And after that, I did go in an attempt to slick down my edges. I try to use edge control. Didn't really do nothing. I have yet to find an edge control that like really does something for my edges. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down below. I did attempt to do the free spray as well, and that actually held up pretty good. So I might actually practice with that a little bit more. So again, to add a little bit more volume in the root so it's not so choppy and spacey, I did go ahead and tease my roots. If you have super thick hair, you probably do not need to do this. Again, I have fine hair, so I do have to put a little bit more work into it to have that voluminous, full look. But yeah, after you're done, this is literally it. It's so cute. It's so fun. As you can see, I was having a lot of fun with this style. It's so flirty, and I honestly feel like you can do this with almost any outfit for any event. It's really put together.
Okay, you guys, so that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Au revoir. Is that it? Is it au revoir? Au revoir? I don't know how to speak French. Bye.